In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade XAUUSD on TradingView. By the end, you'll have the XAUUSD chart open, your broker connected inside TradingView, and a trade placed with your lot size, stop loss, and take profit set correctly. First, open TradingView. On a screen recording, I'm opening the TradingView website and waiting for the main workspace to load. You should see the top search bar and in the center, the chart area. In the search bar at the top, type XAUUSD. A drop-down will appear with XAUUSD symbols from different brokers and data sources. Select your preferred broker or exchange from this list. Choose the one that matches where you plan to place the order so your quotes and execution line up. I'm clicking the XAUUSD listing that corresponds to my broker. Open the chart. If it doesn't load automatically when you select the symbol, click the result to open the full chart view. You should now see the gold price against the US dollar on your screen, all with XAUUSD shown in the top left of the chart. At this point, confirm you're on the correct symbol and data source you intended to use. The time frame you use is up to you. The trading steps will be the same. Click Trading Panel, then connect your broker. The Trading Panel tab is at the bottom of the screen. I'm clicking Trading Panel, then choosing my broker from the list. Now I'm selecting Connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This may open a secure login window from your broker. Once connected, TradingView will show your account status at the bottom. If you see a connected status next to your broker, you're ready to place orders directly from the chart. If anything looks unclear here, pause briefly and check that the correct broker is selected before moving on. Click Buy or Sell. With your broker connected, click either the Buy or the Sell button in the Order panel or on the Chart Trading toolbar. The Buy opens a long position if you expect price to move up, and Sell opens a short position if you expect price to move down. I'm clicking the button to open the order ticket so we can set the order details. Set lot size, stop loss, and take profit, then confirm order. In the order ticket, enter your lot size or quantity. This controls your position size, so type in the exact value you intend to trade. Next, set your stop loss. This is the price where the trade will automatically close to limit risk. You can type a price level or, if available, set a distance. Make sure the stop loss is on the correct side of the market, below the current price for a buy or above the current price for a sell. Now set your take profit. This is your target price where the trade will automatically close in profit. Again, enter a price level or distance. Double-check all three fields, lot size, stop loss, and take profit, before confirming. If the ticket shows estimated costs or margin, take a moment to review them so there are no surprises after execution. When everything looks correct, click the Confirm or Place Order button to send the trade. Once that's done, your order will appear on the chart. You should see your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels displayed as lines, and the position details will show in the trading panel. From here, you can manage the trade by dragging the stop loss or take profit lines if your broker supports it, or by closing the position from the panel when needed. That's it. You've traded XAUUSD on TradingView by selecting the symbol, opening the chart, connecting your broker, choosing Buy or Sell, and confirming the order with your lot size, stop loss, and take profit. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.